What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, like, comment and subscribe to automatically enter yourself into a contest that I explained a little bit more into depth in this video, so go check that out. But for today, we're doing something a little different. We're heading out to Gerlando to work on his WRX. Oh, okay, so this is a sneak peek of next video. I didn't get to finish, so that's all you got to see. If you got to see what you had to see, well, good for you. We're gonna load up the car with all my tools thanks to my little assistant. So we'll catch you guys when we're at Gerlando's. And we're at Gerlando's house. So we're gonna be working on his WRX today. We're gonna be changing his brakes to Hawk Street 5.0 pads. They're supposed to be better. And we're also gonna be doing his suspension. We're removing the RCE Yellow springs.
Back to stock, baby.
Back to stock, because the ride quality is not the best. So the back's already jacked up, and let's just get at it.
The wheel falling off.
So I did some research last night. It looks like all you're gonna need to take out the whole caliper is a 14 mil.
Yeah, there's two bolts.
Yeah, and then just take it out.
Didn't think so.
They're so tiny. Okay, so now we're gonna just put some grease on the clip here for the brake caliper so that it avoids some sort of squeaking or whatever.
Listen up, my dog, baby.
All right, now we're just gonna reinstall these. So we're gonna put it diagonally like that first, then push this in, and that's it. Now do the same for the back. So the back actually is a little different. It has this like clip or whatever, and do the same in the back. Just push it in. Boom. So now we have to push the piston back in. So I have one of these clamps. Oh, by the way, everything I'm going to be using is going to be down in the description box below, so it's going to send you to Amazon, so just go check everything out. But anyways, I'm going to use the old brake pad, put it like this, then take, oh well, I need to open this up a bit, just squeeze, and this should go back in place. Now, what you're gonna have to do is when you get back in the car, you're gonna have to pump them. But that's one side done. All right, now with both the rear brakes changed pretty quickly, now we're gonna move on to the springs. So what we're gonna need to remove these bad boys is a 17 at the bottom, and I think it's like a 14 at the top. Yeah, wow, I don't know how I remember that. I can see the marks from last time that we did this. All right, so now with that done, what's the next plan?
Well, we gotta. There's the bolt that's stuck, holding up. You just have to put it down.
You have to push it. Oh, so with pressure, let's say someone steps on it or whatever.
Oh no. No, we just have to pull out the strut.
Yeah, how are you gonna pull it off?
There's this one we have to take out.
Which one? You sure?
Yeah.
That's the camber. No, it's like a 14.
I have a 14 here. Tell me when to take out the screw.
Take it out.
Alright.
One and done, Jando. I remember this.
Not rusted.
Yeah, not rusted. Now, we got these out. We were able, with this, the top, it just came out easy with a 14 mil, and you just be careful. But everything's out, control arm's out, all 1, 2, 3 bolts are out. We're gonna just swap out the springs. So, are we gonna be using the that spring thing in the back?
In the back, I don't know. We'll see if we could do it the easy way. We're gonna do it the easy way.
I know that when we had to put them on, there was a certain way that it had to seat at the bottom. Remember?
Yeah, you just follow the shape.
Yeah.
Take out the boot. As you can tell, RCEs are rusted.
Yeah, they're completely shot.
For some reason, these are higher.
We're doing a downgrade or an upgrade, Jando?
I don't know anymore.
Put it in the hole?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, and then just turn it until it sits nice at the bottom.
Yeah.
I think that's it.
Kind of locks.
Yeah, exactly.
The spring was here.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So
I mean,
turn it until it seats.
Check measurements.
So is that a good eye measurement there?
Close enough for me.
Get a couple threads on and then just zap it down. That's a difference, all right. So this is the front. There's literally like a finger gap, and the rear now, back to stock. There's like two and a half, almost 3 fingers. Are these things for sale or what?
Yeah.
How much you selling them for?
Maybe 300.
300 bucks. You heard it here first, 300 bucks. It even comes with a nice little box and everything so you can store it. All right, let's move on to the front. Alright, so finishing up one side now. We're gonna move on to the other side and start over here. So we finished up this side. Now it's just about time to lower the car down and see how much stock height we've gained. Stuff. Do you have something to put under?
Oh yeah. Okay, we'll start bringing it down. It's up. Go as much as you can go.
Okay, you got the...
Woof! Woo, baby! Slap that bad boy down.
She knew she couldn't get inside. She wanted to be...
Ready? You're gonna go for a test drive? The brakes, pump. Pump. Yeah? Okay. You're so nervous.
Making sure my car could brake.
Yeah, it sounds good. I don't hear anything at all. Oh. Well, I guess we still know what we're doing. It looks perfect. Literally looks perfect. Nothing. Alright, so that's it guys, that's gonna be a wrap. So we installed the new brakes and suspension on his car. Looks stock as f, but it's what it is. Anyways, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Enter yourself into that giveaway. Remember to drive what drives you up. We catch you guys all in the next video. Peace. Wanna say bye, puppy? Puppy?
Billy, gotta see.
Wanna say bye?
Next video.
I'm counting this money while counting my blessings. Yeah. 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 Pray for better tomorrows. Pray for better tomorrows.